Are you tired of low FPS, constant lag, and stutters ruining your gaming experience? I've got the ultimate fix. In this video, I'll reveal 12 secret Windows optimizations that will drastically boost your FPS and completely eliminate lag, no matter your setup. Get ready to take your gaming to the next level. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and let's dive into the full optimization guide for 2025. So in the first step, guys, you need to press Windows plus R, type temp, and delete all the files that appear. Now do the same thing again, press Windows plus R, type %temp%. Delete these files too. If any files can't be deleted, just skip them. Now in the next step, let us perform a disk cleanup. Open the search menu. Type disk cleanup and press enter. Disk cleanup will automatically detect your C drive. Click OK when prompted. Check the boxes for temporary internet files, DirectX shader cache and delivery optimization files. Click OK, and then select Delete Files to remove unnecessary data from your PC. Now in the next step, uninstall apps you do not need anymore. Open your settings and remove any programs you do not use. If you are unsure which apps are essential, search online for a list of important programs to avoid deleting something necessary. Removing unused apps will free up space and improve your computer's speed. Now in the next step, search for System Configuration. In the pop-up window, go to the Boot tab and click Advanced Options. Check the box labeled Number of Processors and select the maximum number available for your system. Click OK to save these settings, which will help improve your system's boot time. Now in the next step, search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. When the Performance Options window appears, select Adjust for best performance. Afterward, check the options for smooth edges of screen fonts and show thumbnails instead of icons. Click Apply to save these changes. This will disable unnecessary animations and save system resources. In the same Performance Options window, go to the Advanced tab and look for Processor Scheduling. Select Adjust for best performance of programs and click OK. This will ensure that programs run more efficiently. Now guys, right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. In the Device Manager, find the drop-down labeled System Devices and expand it. Scroll down until you see an entry called High Precision Event Timer. So, disable it because this timer can sometimes cause lower FPS on many systems. Next, we'll enable Game Mode to prioritize system resources for gaming. To enable Game Mode, simply search for Game Mode in the Windows search bar, open the settings, and toggle the feature to On. Additionally, enabling hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling can further optimize GPU performance by allowing the system to allocate resources more efficiently, leading to smoother gameplay with fewer interruptions or slowdowns. To do this, locate your game executable file by clicking on Browse and add it to the Graphics Settings menu. From there, select the High Performance option to make sure your game uses your dedicated GPU. This is especially important for systems with multiple GPUs as it guarantees that your game will run with the best possible hardware for maximum performance. The next step involves the Windows Ultimate Tweaker. I give link in the description of this tool. You can download it from their official website. Inside this folder, you'll find an executable file. Right-click the file and choose Run as Administrator to ensure the program has full access to your system. You'll be greeted with your PC specifications. Now navigate to the Performance Settings section and start applying specific tweaks. Begin by checking the box to restart the shell automatically after some error. Then, disable features like Search Indexer and Smooth Scrolling. Also make sure to uncheck Edge Tab Reloading. On the right side, disable several services including Windows Time Services, Tablet Input Services, Windows Security Center Services, Prefetch Services, Superfetch Services Printer, Spooling Services, and Microsoft Edge Preloading. Once you've made these changes, hit the Apply button. Don't be surprised if your screen goes black for a moment or Explorer restarts. This is a sign that the tweaks are being applied. Once everything is set, close the Ultimate Windows Tweaker application and click OK to finalize the process. Now we'll move on to the Part Control. I give link in the description of this tool. You can download it from their official website. To begin with, Part Control, double-click the executable file to start the installation. Agree to the terms and proceed by clicking Next until the software is installed. Once installed, open the program to access its interface. This software will optimize your CPU by enabling all available cores to ensure maximum performance. For example, if only 4 out of your 8 cores are activated, you'll want to make sure all cores are in use. From the drop-down menu, select Bitsum Highest Performance. This will automatically adjust the other settings to optimize your CPU. Then, click the Make Active button to enable all cores. After that, click Apply, check the boxes to keep the software running in the background, and click OK. These changes will allow your system to operate at its peak performance, ensuring smoother and more responsive gameplay. In the next step, we will optimize our drives to boost both their performance and our system's responsiveness. While some believe that optimizing an SSD can harm its lifespan, this isn't true when done correctly. First, head to your Start menu and type defrag into the search bar. Select the defragment and optimize drives option from the results. This will open a window showing all the drives connected to your system. Next, pick the drive you'd like to check, whether it's an SSD or a hard drive. This step scans the drive to determine whether it requires optimization. Select it and click the Optimize button. For SSDs, the process is usually completed almost instantly. Hard drives, on the other hand, may take more time, depending on their size, the amount of data stored, and the level of fragmentation. To enhance CPU performance, optimizing your power plan settings is essential. Begin by searching for power and sleep settings in the Windows search bar and opening the menu. From there, click on Additional Power Settings to open a new window. In this window, select the High Performance Power Plan, which prioritizes performance over energy savings. Next, click on Change Plan Settings for the High Performance Plan, and then choose Change Advanced Power Settings. In the Advanced Settings window, expand the Hard Disk section and set Turn Off Hard Disk, after to 0, preventing the hard disk from shutting down. Then, expand Processor Power Management and set both Minimum Processor State and Maximum Processor State to 100%. Lastly, locate the System Cooling Policy section and set it to Active, ensuring efficient cooling while maintaining optimal performance. Once these adjustments are complete, click Apply and then OK to save your changes. These settings are designed to maximize system efficiency, enabling your CPU and other hardware components to deliver peak performance during gaming sessions. Finally, we'll adjust core isolation settings to prioritize gaming performance. Core isolation is a security feature that isolates certain processes to prevent them from being accessed by malicious software. To do this, search for core isolation in the search bar, go to the memory integrity section and turn it off. Keep in mind that this reduces your system's security, so it's recommended to re-enable this feature after gaming sessions to ensure your system remains protected. And in the last step, we're going to disable unnecessary startup applications that may be slowing down your PC. To do this, right-click on your taskbar and open the Task Manager. From there, navigate to the Startup tab. Here, you'll want to sort the apps by their impact from high to low. Look for applications that you don't use frequently at startup. You should go through the list and disable any applications you don't need running as soon as your PC starts. This way, you can always open them manually later when you need them. After making the changes, simply close the Task Manager and you're done with this step. After completing all these steps, close everything and start playing your favorite games. You should notice a significant improvement in performance. If you have any questions or need help, share your system specifications in the comments and I'll be happy to assist you.